All right, purple to blue hand strikes. So just like in purple belt, like when we move from orange to purple belt, purple to blue, we are gonna be asking you to perform these hand strikes from your horse stance. So right into it. Now, our first hand strike is gonna be the spear hand. Spear hand is super, super easy. We're basically gonna be striking with our fingertips with a nice rigid hand. Now, spear hands are fun because they can be formed horizontally or vertically. They can go to the throat, they can go to the stomach, they can come around into the side. For the demonstration for your rank of purple to blue, we are simply gonna be asking for a nice spear hand horizontally to the throat. Now, the big thing that I'm gonna be looking for is your strikes coming down the center line, just like so. Okay, easy, easy peasy. Our next hand strike is gonna be the rake. Now, when you do your rake, I'm looking for your fingertips to splay apart, just like so. Now, the big thing that you're trying to avoid is hitting with the nails. I actually want you to hit with your finger pads. So I really want it to feel more like you're getting some friction and just like wiping your fingertips on your opponent. We're gonna show this strike up to down, just like so. Now, the big thing that you'll notice here is this palm whip that I'm getting as I move into position. So I wanna strike my opponent and then I wanna drag. My idea here is to get as much nerve activation as humanly possible. Now, the next one is gonna be tricky. It's our 2-finger poke. What we're gonna do from right here is we're gonna wrap our middle finger over our index finger. Then I want you to give me a little bit of a curl, okay? Then the other thing that we're gonna do is as we strike, we're not just gonna go straight into the eyeball. We wanna rotate. And what we're gonna use is the bridge of our opponent's nose to help guide our 2-finger poke into position. Now, 2-finger poke, because it's reinforced with that top finger, okay? You don't just have to go to the eyeball. This can go into the side of the neck. Boom, I can attack inside the clavicle here. This is actually a pretty useful technique if you have the imagination for it. Then finally is my favorite hand strike of all, the ridge hand. Ridge hand, we're gonna take our thumb, we're gonna wrap here, just like so. We're gonna make the number 4, is essentially what we're gonna do. The idea here is to hit with this side of the hand here, this nice ridge that we're creating, almost like a mesa. Now, when we're throwing this for our rank, okay, what I'm looking for is an out and back, out and back, out and back, out and back, out and back. All right, guys, so those are your 4 techniques that you need to move from purple belt to blue belt, and that is the list of our hand strikes. Moving from blue to green, we'll start getting into variations, what I expect for you as far as being able to understand how the hand strikes are thrown versus just throwing them. All right, guys, until next time, train hard, fight fast, score first. Awesome.